I'm not real, but earning $300 per video as an AI influencer. Not only her, I'm also not real, but charge $200 per video as an AI influencer.
Influencer marketing isn't just a trend, it's a powerhouse strategy for brands worldwide. And guess what? AI influencers are leading the charge, with some raking in as much as $11,000 per month. AI-driven affiliate marketing is your key to unlocking bigger earnings with minimal effort, and these AI avatars are working 24/7, generating thousands of dollars through affiliate marketing. New to affiliate marketing, let make you understand under 10 seconds. You promote products, people buy through your link, and you earn commissions. It's that simple. With AI influencers, it's faster, smarter, and more profitable. This video is going to be a game changer, so don't miss a single step, because I'm about to share a secret tool that'll do all your work in just a few clicks. Let's dive into Amazon affiliate marketing. First, head over to Amazon Associates and sign up for free. Once you're done, sign into your Amazon account. You'll notice a new header. This is your affiliate network, but with so many products out there, which ones should you promote? Here's the trick. Just search for Amazon movers and shakers on Google. This tool will show you products that have seen huge jumps in sales rank over the past 24 hours. It's a real-time overview of trending products, perfect for finding hot items to promote as an affiliate. But before choosing a product, make sure you understand the commission rates for each product category. For example, I'm choosing the books category, where I'll earn 8% commission on every sale. Now take a look at this book called Gouge. Currently ranked #1 in sales, it's priced at $28. Once you've identified a trending product, click on it and copy the product URL. Now here's where the magic happens. As I said, AI going to play game for us and boosts affiliate earnings. Introducing TopView AI, your online AI video editor that transforms your product link into a viral video with just one click. All you need to do is upload your URL and the AI will generate a complete video in seconds with a perfect script, voiceover, and even realistic AI avatars. Check the link in the description to head over to TopView AI and see the magic for yourself. First, sign into TopView AI using your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard like this. Now, you're in the workspace. From here, click on Create Videos with AI. Now, simply paste the product link you copied from Amazon and click Analyze Link. Now, the AI goes to work. It scans the product page, analyzing details about the product, and finds media related to the product. A pop-up will show videos and images that the AI has automatically selected based on your product. No need to search for media. The AI does it all for you. You'll see the video brief, where the AI has extracted key product information. You can even add or edit points to customize your video. Now, click on Avatar and choose the avatar that fits your style. TopView AI offers a wide selection of AI avatars. These are realistic animated presenters that will narrate and showcase your product in the video. Click on the voice option and you'll get to choose from over 100 different high-quality voices. Whether you want something professional, conversational, or upbeat, there's a voice for every style. Choose the one that resonates most with your audience. Once you've selected the avatar and voice, you're ready to go. Simply click on Generate and the AI will create your video. It'll take just a few moments for your video to be processed, and when it's ready, you'll have 3 different video styles to choose from. Instead of just picking one, I recommend making videos in all 3 styles. This way, you'll have 3 different versions of the video, which you can use throughout the day. It gives you more content to work with and helps reach a wider audience. Now click on Preview. Video will start generating. Now click on the Edit button and you'll get options to further customize your video. Start by adding music. TopView AI has a library of tracks to choose from. Make sure to pick a track that complements the video but isn't too loud. You can also choose your own music. Keeping the music at a lower volume ensures that your audience can focus on the product. Next, you'll want to edit the text and captions. Click on the Fonts option and select the style that best fits the theme of your video. You can adjust the size and color of the text to make sure it stands out, but keep it clear and easy to read. Once everything looks good, click Export and download your finished video. Congratulations! You now have a fully AI-generated video that's ready to be shared. With your video ready, you can now use it to promote your Amazon affiliate product.
Hey fam, we all have those days where everything feels chaotic. You know, like when you just can't seem to find the right direction? Well, Admiral Bob Harvard has a secret weapon for us. His book, The Gouge, is all about tackling life head-on with smarts. This gem teaches you how to navigate tricky situations like a pro. It's packed with practical hacks straight from military experience. Imagine turning tough moments into chances for growth and confidence, leadership and resilience. This book has you covered. Say goodbye to second guessing and hello to informed decisions. Trust me, you want this in your life for no regret vibes.
Since you've made 3 different versions, you can schedule these videos to be posted throughout the day or over a few days, maximizing your reach and engagement. Now, we're at the final and most crucial step, setting up your affiliate store. We're going to use Kit.co, a fantastic platform to organize and promote your Amazon affiliate products. First, head over to Kit.co and sign up for free. Once you're signed in, you'll be able to open your store and start adding your affiliate products. To get started, click on the plus icon. This is where you'll add your Amazon product links. Remember the link we copied earlier? Just paste it right here and then click Add to Kit. Once that's done, your affiliate product is now part of your kit. To get your shareable link, simply click the 3 dots next to your product and select Copy Link. This is the link you'll be using to promote your product. Now let's make it even easier for your audience to find the products you recommend. Head over to your YouTube channel and click Customize Channel. You'll find an option to add links. Paste your Kit.co link here. This way, anyone visiting your channel will have quick access to all the products you've suggested. You can reuse the same video on different platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest to reach even more people and maximize your earnings.